Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So today we will do chapter number 4, that is known as word processor. What do you mean by word processor? What is the features of MS Word? How to start it? How to enter the text? How to select the text? How to edit the text? How to copy, move the text from one place to another, how you can undo and redo, use the undo and redo commands, how you can check the spellings of your text, that is known as spell check and grammar. Today we will discuss all these topics in brief. Okay, so let's start. I just want to say we use Paint software to draw on a computer. In the same way, we use Word to write text on a computer. You already know how to write on your notebook. Now learn how to write on a computer or how to make notes on a computer. In Word, we use keyboard rather than writing on a paper. It means when we want to write something on a computer, we need a keyboard, but with the help of keys, we write on a computer. What you can do with a Microsoft Word? You can type your notes, you can write your question answer, you can prepare a phone number list, you can also make or design letter and messages which can be sent to your friends and relatives. And these question answers, these phone number list, letter or messages are known as documents. For this I want to let you know that never use duplicate software, always use original softwares. Now what is MS Word? MS Word is an application software used for word processing. A company called Microsoft has made the program MS Word. That is why it is called MS Microsoft Word. Word processing means typing, editing, copying, deleting, moving text from one place to another. So let's start. How will you open Microsoft Word, or how will you start Microsoft Word 2007? You have to write in the run box. This is your run box. WinWord. Okay, then this application software will be displayed here and you can click on it, double click on it, and it will get started. Then this is the close button. Okay, close it. This is the one way how to start a computer Microsoft Word. Then go on start menu. This is your start menu. This is your start button. So this is the menu inside the start button. Okay, now check where is the Office, Microsoft Office. Where is Microsoft Office? This is the, you see here is the Microsoft Office. By mistake another option has been selected, to close it. Okay, and check where is Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office, and then you have to Microsoft Office, here it is. Then click on it. See where is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, Here I am using Microsoft Word 2010, 2007. So please see carefully. Okay. Very good. So first bar which is displayed on the Microsoft window is known as title bar. Same in the same way, when you prepare a notes in your notebook, you need to specify which subject notebook it is. Okay, you write your name, you write your class, roll number, etc. on the first page of your notebook. In the same way, we have to specify here which document we are creating. So this is your document name. When you save it, okay, when you cover your notebook, you write the name, na? Same way, when you save the document, the name will be displayed. File, save, chapter 4, class 3rd. Save it. Click on the save button. Now the name is changed. See, instead of document 1, here is the name chapter 4, class 3rd. Now where you are preparing this document? In Microsoft Word. So it will display the name of the document and application name in which you are working. Okay. In the next, now I have told you how to open Microsoft Word by writing here in the run box WinWord, okay, and here WinWord Microsoft Word 2010. Now here the next is, you have to go on start button and you have to see where is the Microsoft Office, and then you have to choose Microsoft Word. Here you have to use Microsoft Word. Okay, and then you click on it and this window will appear. Now this is cut, copy, format, painter option. Where it is, this long bar which has so many buttons on it are called ribbons, and there are many sections that is known as tabs. These are called tabs. Okay, clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, these are called tabs. Okay, now I want to tell you how to enter the text in Microsoft Word. Now I will let you know how to start writing in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is your cursor. This line which is blinking is known as cursor. What it is called? Cursor. Now I want to make it big. Now click on the left side of the text, drag the mouse on it. Okay, hold the mouse button and drag it on it. It will be selected, or you can click 2 times, then this word will be selected. Now you can increase the font size. See, now from here, this font color button, you can select many colors. See, color is changing now, so you can change the color from here. This is your font color. It means text color you can change. You can change the color of the text. Now you can decrease the size from this button. You can increase the size. You can decrease the size. From here also you can increase the size. Understood? Now from here you can make it more darker. more darker, see. Then tilted, something slanting. Now if you want to underline the important word, you can use this. When you use all the option, it will become yellow in color. Okay, then click on it. Now the option which I have chosen is we are not using now. If we choose, then it will become yellow in color. Understood? Now I want to write here something more. Hello everyone. Now see, because I have selected all these options, so the line is coming, the words are in the slanting way, and the words are also in the darkest form. Okay, now I want to make it in the center. I want to place this word in the center. So these are called alignment buttons, alignment options. Now it is in the left button, left side of your notebook, from where you write question answer. So it is in the left side. Always we write from the left, so it is in the left side. Now I want to make it in the center. See, now it comes in the center. Now place it on the right hand side, then it goes in the right hand of the page. I want to make this word at the center of the page. Okay, now I want to change the color. So what I have to do, I have to click 3 times in between the any line. Now I am changing the color. Okay, now please take care of yourself. Okay, now I want to make it green. See, it is selected 3 times. I have clicked in between the words. Now the color has been changed. Now if you want to come in the next line, you have to press enter key. All these keys are on your keyboard. Okay, now I want to write letter in capitals. Okay, sanitize your hands. Understood? Now I want to make it another color. I want to give it another color. So like this, you can write text. You can write the text. Now I forgot to write something in between. Now what I will do? I want to write here some sanitize your hands, sanitize your hand, yours I want to write. So place the cursor where you want to edit the text. It means you want to do some changes. So place the cursor there where you want to do any changes. Okay. So now I backspace say you can erase and you can write here yours, and then place the cursor at the last of the word and press the enter. Or by using arrow keys, you can go up, you can go down, you can come in the left hand side, or you can go in the right hand side. Okay, there are 4 arrow keys on your keyboard: up, down, left and right. Okay, understood everybody? Now how will you move the text? So for moving the text means I want to change the position of the text. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on it. Now you have to press the cut. You have to cut. Right click on the word and come at the last of it. Now I want to Ctrl+V. See, now it has been shifted from top to bottom. It means I have moved the text from top to water. Now I want to okay. Now open the Microsoft Word. Here, minimize by me. Now you want to copy the text, select the text, or right click or triple click in the line or sentence, and then Control plus C and go at the end of the page and press Control plus V. Or you can right click on the empty areas and paste up. Now you can select the how many times you want to Control plus V, Control plus V, as many as times you can make the duplicate copy of your text. Understood everybody? Okay. Now if you want to check the spelling, red line has come now, it means your spelling is wrong. Make it right. Okay? Right. Now I want to write, here I am doing yours. Yours. Take care of yours. Sometimes it will show you a line, sometimes it will not show you any line. If there is a grammatical mistake, then it will show a green wavy line. Okay? It means you have done some grammatical mistake. So this is called how to check spelling and grammar. Next is threshold. You can find the same meaning or opposite meaning of any word. Okay, like I am selecting this paired word. Right click on it, synonym, and be careful, pay attention. These are the words which are similar and which are, and if you will press on the threshold, this is the same words and synonyms and synonyms. You have to right click on the word and go on synonym. Okay, so that's all for today. We have learned how to open Microsoft Word and what is word processing. Word processing means changing, editing, copying, pasting. All these actions which is performed on the text is known as word processing, and it has been developed by Microsoft company. That's why it is known as Microsoft Word. Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Take care.